Let's take a look at the Battleborn Base Series 30 amp hour lithium battery. This battery is designed to deliver extended runtime and durability in compact energy storage applications that rely on low to moderate continuous loads where reliability, safety, and long service life matter. It's built for systems that need dependable stored energy with consistent performance, not cold cranking or engine starting use. Inside, you'll find the Base Series 30 amp hour 12 volt lithium battery itself. You'll also find a quick reference postcard. That card includes a QR code that links directly to the full product manual and setup information. We always recommend scanning that before installation so you're working from the most up-to-date guidance. Looking at the battery itself, you'll notice a compact but rugged design. It's designed as a direct drop-in lithium replacement for U1 12350 form factor sealed lead-acid batteries. The enclosure is impact resistant and weather resistant, making it suitable for mobile, outdoor, and light industrial environments. At just over 8.5 pounds, it's still lightweight and portable compared to sealed lead-acid batteries offering similar usable energy. This battery uses M6 threaded terminals designed for ring terminals and secure vibration-resistant connections. And lastly, there's a removable strap for easy carrying. Electrically, this is a 12 volt, 30 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery providing approximately 384 watt hours of usable energy. Because it's lithium, nearly all of that capacity is usable, and the battery maintains a stable voltage throughout discharge. That consistency helps connected devices operate reliably over longer runtimes. Internally, the battery uses premium cylindrical lithium iron phosphate cells selected for safety, thermal stability, and long cycle life. Inside, the battery is an integrated battery management system, or BMS. The BMS is designed to protect the battery from overcharge, over-discharge, overcurrent, and high and low temperature conditions. Those protections help the battery operate safely and predictably when used within its intended design parameters. That said, the BMS is not meant to replace proper system design. We still recommend staying within the published specifications for charging, discharging, and operating temperature to ensure optimal performance and long service life. Because of its capacity and electrical characteristics, the Base Series 30 amp hour battery is intended for energy storage applications that benefit from longer runtime and steady continuous power delivery. It is not designed for cold cranking or high inrush current applications such as starting engines. Where it performs well is in applications like fish finders, flashers, and small boating electronics, ice fishing setups and portable outdoor gear, small solar lighting and backup power systems, lawn tractors, mobility scooters and compact machinery, robotics, remote sensors and industrial devices, camping, hiking and portable off-grid power, emergency backup for electronics and small motors, ATVs, UTVs, and other light utility vehicles. In these systems, stable voltage, extended runtime, and long cycle life are the priority. The Base Series 30 amp hour battery is rated for thousands of charge cycles, delivering long service life in properly designed applications. It's backed by a 5-year warranty and Battleborn's US-based support team. The Battleborn Base Series 30 amp hour battery delivers dependable lithium performance with extended runtime in a compact, rugged package. For energy storage systems that need reliable power, stable voltage, and long service life in a small footprint, it's a straightforward solution designed to perform day after day.